In a vibrant and enchanting forest filled with singing leaves and glowing mushrooms, there lived a tiny bluebird named Tilly. Tilly was adored for her brilliant blue feathers and the loudest, most cheerful chirp in the forest, but she had one little problem. Tilly couldn't fly. Every attempt to spread her wings ended with a gentle plop on the soft ground, much like a falling feather pillow. Her friends were eager to help. Benny the bear stepped in with flying lessons, encouraging, "Flap harder, Tilly." While Sasha the squirrel crafted a miniature trampoline, Granny Owl brewed her concoction of magic flying tea. But alas, nothing seemed to work. One night, under the twinkling stars, Tilly perched on a mushroom, whispering her wish to fly among them. At that moment emerged Wink, the radiant firefly fairy. Wink reassured her, "You don't need to fly to shine, Tilly. You already glow from inside." Inspired, Tilly threw herself into what she could do best, delivering berries, building nests, and singing songs that warmed even the grumpiest hearts. And then, an ordinary morning became extraordinary. Helping a baby bunny, Tilly tripped and began to fall, but instead found herself soaring. She flew, not by magic, but with the strength and love she nurtured every day. From then on, Tilly fluttered joyfully through her forest, eternally grateful for her friends, her journey, and her wings. Every night, her melodies ascended to the stars, echoing her triumph and joy. The end. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to Kittyverse for more videos.